In the previous lesson, we saw how we can build and train a deep neural network to classify images of articles of clothing using the Fashion MNIST dataset. And the results we achieved were pretty impressive, considering we only needed a few lines of code to be able to do so. You also experimented with the impact that the number of units in each layer and the number of training epochs had on the final training accuracy. But how do you make this model perform even better? One way is to use something called a convolutional neural network, which are commonly abbreviated as CNNs. CNNs have proven to achieve higher accuracies when classifying images than the simple pure dense neural networks we saw in the previous lessons. For this reason, CNNs have become extremely useful, and they're actually the primary reason for breakthroughs in computer vision applications using machine learning.
In this lesson, we will see how easy it is to create a CNN-based image classifier from scratch using TensorFlow and Keras. To make things familiar, we will reuse the Fashion MNIST dataset and create a model that uses a CNN. We can then compare how well our CNN performs compared to the neural network we created in the previous lesson. But before we jump into the code, let's first take some time to understand how convolutional neural networks work. The two main concepts in a convolutional neural network are convolutions or max pooling. So let's start by taking a look at convolutions.